Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL achieves highest ever August sales. Serological survey conducted at Steel Township to combat COVID-19. And now the news in detail. Steel Authority of India Limited posted its best ever August sales performance during August 2020 at 14.34 lakh tons. Post the COVID-19 related lockdown, the company has been witnessing an impressive sales performance which started in June 2020. The sales in August have grown significantly by 35% over 10.60 lakh tons achieved in August 2019. Domestic sales and exports have been at 12.40 lakh tons and 1.94 lakh tons, registering a growth of 23% and 250% respectively. The growth in sales coupled with the improvement in realizations resulted in the cash collections going up for SAIL, which has helped the company in further reducing its borrowings. Commenting on sales growth, Chairman SAIL Shri Anil Kumar Chaudhary said, post the COVID-19 pandemic, we had resolved to come back strong. The current sales figures are a testimony to the sustained efforts by the SAIL collective. We were quite positive on the demand picking up as soon as the economy would return to normal. Despite early setback after opening up, the market has also been echoing positive sentiments and a lot of meticulous planning went into leveraging these sentiments. Adding further, he said, the company is totally committed to its role in contributing towards India's growth story as well as building the Atmanirbhar Bharat. The company has been catering to domestic requirement of the nation and has also gainfully utilized opportunities in export market to maintain consistent growth momentum in its sales. The first phase of serological survey was conducted in the Steel Township to determine the herd immunity. The Indian Council of Medical Research, in association with Rourkela Municipal Corporation and Town Services Department of SAIL, RSP, carried out the campaign to map the antibodies developed amongst the residents against the novel coronavirus. A total of 720 samples were collected from 12 test centers of the Steel Township, including the 2 earlier containment zones. Notably, ICMR team collected 2,500 samples from Rourkela, which includes the Steel Township and RMC areas. It is worth mentioning here that serological survey is an advanced research to determine the extent to which the virus has spread. The antibody testing aids response to fight the spread of the deadly disease. It also helps to ascertain the behavior of the virus and formulating future strategies to contain it. Notably, RSP, in association with the district administration, has been making all-out efforts to check the pandemic. Special camps are being organized for antigens testing at Sector 6 Health Center in association with RMC to detect the latent positive cases. A total of 3,452 tests have been done so far in 15 camps organized in various sectors. The COVID control team led by Mr. S. Badapanda, DGM Town Services, is coordinating the campaigning. And that's all for today. Stay safe. Namaskar.